Fried stuff, not advisable. Sushi. Corn with butter. Steamed cassava. Steamed sweet potatoes. Oh my god, are you excited? This is all you can drink. Very fancy water. Nice.
Splash.
Oh no, it's not Coke.
I know.
I am loving the vegetarian option. Ooh, what have you found there?
These are oven roasted vegetables.
I love the starfish bread. Look how cute the starfish bread is, Bubba.
Adorable.
It's adorable. Seafood section. My favorite was actually this deep fried pasta. It was great. I'm just gonna get a couple of bananas. Eat it.
No Quoc.
Hey, we're gonna go to the water park. Woohoo!
Yeah, I'm the captain, but I don't know where we're going.
Yeah. There's a monkey on top of you. Happy New Year! Chipmunk namoy! Giant dragon fruit. Are you lost?
Yeah, I'm lost.
Because this is the Lost Lagoon.
I'm lost in the lagoon.
Caves of waves. Okay. We're gonna go in there. Oh my god. It's gonna be amazing. This is inappropriate.
It's an environmental catastrophe.
No, no, no. This has to be taken
Sharks
down.
play an important role in our ecosystem.
Sun World, come on. Put live sharks, live happy sharks in, okay? Yeah! No climbing, please. David, get out of there now. You're in trouble. Cheers. This is a really important tip for the water park.
Don't eat the buffet before the ride.
How gorgeous are you guys? You don't even look delicious. Yeah, you do.